Let's walk through the Taxable Property Value Calculator, the VPT. This is the fiscal value of a home in Portugal, the base that IMI and other property taxes are charged on. And it comes from a fixed legal formula. First, the private gross area, the main area of the home shown on the property register. Let's enter 100 square meters. Next, the dependent gross area, things like a garage or storage room, which only counts at 30%. We'll put in 20 square meters. Then the free land area, up to twice the building's footprint. For an apartment, this is usually 0. And the building's footprint area, if there is land, we'll leave it at 0 too. Now, the location coefficient of your zone, which you can look up on the tax authority's website. Let's use 1. The quality and comfort coefficient, which adjusts for things like a detached house or a gated community. We'll keep it at 1. And finally, the age of the building in complete years since the use license. Let's use 10 years. Instantly, the calculator shows the estimated VPT, 63,840 euros, rounded up to the next 10 euros, exactly as the law requires. The table below shows every factor of the formula. The base value of 712 euros and 50 cents per square meter for 2026, the weighted area, and each coefficient, so the number is never a black box. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.